Salam, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal to one and all. KSJ Teaching wish you a happy Republic Day, a day of pride for all of us. And on this special day, we at KSJ Teaching pledge to provide the best of content through our videos on YouTube and through our handbooks and other courses available on our website www.ksjteaching.org and through our mobile app KSJ Teaching available on Google Play Store. We believe that quality education need not be costly. Every child in this country should receive education, should get educated, and no one should leave the education only because of lack of resources. On this special day, we are bringing some special things for you. One is on the handbooks which are available on our website. We are providing 15% off on handbooks till 29th of January 2021 to celebrate this Republic Week. Secondly, on the ICAI study material question discussion series, which is one of the most important series, we are providing 20% off whether you buy it through our mobile app or you buy it through our website to play on the laptop. The lectures can be played on laptop or Android mobiles. So it is for you people to take this opportunity and subscribe to the courses for your growth, for your success. We'll make sure that we'll stand by you and you taste success in the examination. This is what our motive is. हम लोग आपका हाथ पकड़कर चलेंगे जब तक आप लोगों को सक्सेस नहीं मिलता. We will make sure that you score the best of marks in the examination. That's what our motive is. And that's why we are providing the various courses on YouTube absolutely free of cost. The whole courses of cost accounting, financial management, economics for finance. So that किसी को भी ये ना लगे कि मैं पढ़ नहीं सकता, मैं सीए बन नहीं सकता. You can and you will. We'll make sure this. Okay, so we'll wish you once again a happy Republic Day. We wish you the best of year. We wish you the best of career. We wish that you get success and you move ahead in your life. And this year brings more moments of happiness and cheer. Stay safe, guys. Stay healthy. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.